Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to show you how you can create product AI video and then you can promote your product and you can make money. So I will show you step-by-step tutorials where you're gonna learn how to find best product, and then we will create a AI script using ChatGPT. That's mean video script, and finally we'll be using AI tools that will help us to create a product video, and maybe video will go viral. So suppose you are a student and you want to make money online. Easiest way you can make money online, like promoting others product, Amazon product. So why you need product video? Affiliate marketing is the one of the easiest way. So and the AI, when it's come, so it really easy to create videos without showing your face. So you can promote tons of products Amazon, so and then you can make money. So you will find lots of videos on YouTube videos and you can learn step by step, but in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make money wherever you are. If you have internet connection, so it's the time to make money. So first thing, we have to find the best product on Amazon. So how we can find the best product? All right, so before jump into video, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel so you will get videos this kind of, like how we can make money and different kind of AI tools. All right, so I think I forgot one thing to say you that like there are several ways you can promote your link. That's mean affiliate product link. So YouTube is the one of the greatest platform. So you can make videos and then you can add your link into description, and you will see lots of videos like they are promoting different kind of products. Okay, so make sure you have a YouTube setup account. That's mean your account is absolutely ready. If you want to select niche, that's mean if you want to promote the particular product, that's mean electric gadget, kitchen, household and different kind of accessories. Okay, so make sure your niche. So I'm going to find a product, a blender. Okay, and you'll find different qualities and different products over there. Okay, so make sure the best one, that's mean the best seller. So you scroll down and you'll find maybe this logo like best seller. All right, so let's open the product, and this is one of the best seller. Okay, you can see the ratings. That's mean it's a huge number of ratings over there, and in the past month bought 10k and the price is 39.88. Okay, so this is the product we want to promote through our videos. Okay, like it could be our TikTok video, YouTube shorts video, long format video, whatever it is. Okay, so this is the product and it's time to create our script. That's mean video script. All right, so let's go back to ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy the product name, Magic Bullet Blender, and also the product URL. Copy the product URL and just paste it here, and then write it before to write a 1-minute video script on this product Magic Bullet Blender, and make sure the URL over there so that ChatGPT clearly analyze the product and then it will give us a script. So let's click on here. All right, so our script is ready. Video script, Magic Bullet Blender, opening scene. All right, I'm going to use a tools. It's called flexclip.com. It's a AI tools. So I have already logged in into this account. This is the dashboard, guys. So you can sign in with your Gmail account. All right, and you will find a different kind of options like AI video generator, auto subtitle, text to space, AI translator, and other so many things. But in this video we're going to use templates. You will see start with templates. You will find different kind of formation and different templates, different categories. When you click on here, you'll find the popular real estate, food, travel, sports, different kind of over there, different kind of popular templates that are people are also using. As we are creating a product video, so we're going to type here product, and you'll find different suggested keyword like product sales, presentation, promo, introduction, review. So as we are reviewing this product, so let's click on product review. 432 results, which is really great. Also you can use this like most popular, newest, and also the ratio, which is really important, guys. So if you want to create long format video like YouTube video, okay, so you must check the landscape. Also if you want to create shorts video like this, it's a 18 seconds 21 seconds video, so make sure the portrait section. Okay, so let's click on portrait, so that we will find 299 results, all are portraits. Okay, but I'm going to show you another thing, like as we are promoting a blender, so why not we are searching a blender. Okay, blender, and press enter, and very interesting, we just got two results. That's mean two templates that especially dedicated to the blender. So the first one, e-commerce product presentation, and also the natural blender machine. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, so let's click on customize, and let's select the 9:16 ratio. Okay, that's mean we are going to produce a shorts video, and then click on customize. Also you can import your media, that's mean you can import the product images, audio, and videos. All right, so I'm going to show you another option where you can do it very easily. Let's click on tools, and you will find AI power tools, and let's click on AI video generator. Okay, and let's click on AI text to video, and I'm going to copy that's mean our ChatGPT generated text script, then copy here and just paste it here, and then click on generate. They will generate our video, like they will analyzing our content and a script, and then finally they will generate our video. Okay, where you can change the voiceover, like make sure the voiceover is enabled, and also you can change the country as well as different voiceover, like female, male, and voice style. That's mean also you can change the style as well as. So I'm going to keep as it is, and it's time to add to timeline. So let's click on add to timeline and choose the way to apply scenes. So add after and the existing scenes, let's click on apply.
Meet the Magic Bullet Blender, your compact kitchen companion that makes blending. This versatile blender comes with everything you need: cups, lids, and blades, all perfectly sized for individual servings. From smoothies to sauces, the Magic Bullet blends, mixes, and chops in seconds.
Alright, and finally our video is ready, guys. 50 seconds video. Okay, also you can change each and everything, like if you want to change the timeline, like the background images, videos, also you can change the script as well. Okay, just press export button, and you will find resolution, frame rate, and quality. Okay, so 180 pixel, 30 fps, it's okay. Let's click on export. Alright, so it's time to rendering our video, and finally it will download it into your device. Also you can share your videos into YouTube, TikTok. So as we are creating this video to sharing our TikTok and YouTube video, it's okay. So I think you got it, all the steps very clearly. So it's time to create now. So find your niche, create your YouTube channel, and then make the video, and then finally you can apply Amazon associated. That's mean you have to create a affiliate account. Okay guys, and then you can find the promoted link, and when someone click on the product, and then if they buy from the link, you will get commission. So this is really easy money than you can make from home, guys. So no more today, I will come back with another tutorial, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.